So, Brandon,
Hey, Mary.
we are getting ready to go to Jack Daniels this weekend.
Oh, yes, we are. And it is going to be a great time. So, in honor of that, how about we try something that isn't around as much as it used to be?
I'm all for that.
All right. This is the Jack Daniels number 27. This is finished in maple wood. It's just a finished version of your standard Jack Daniels Black Label, and it is coming in at 90 proof. But
It says gold on it.
yeah, number 27 gold,
Oh, okay.
and it's double mellowed,
So does
just
that
like
mean
like Gentleman Jack. It's double mellowed.
So that means it goes through twice?
It went through the sugar maple
Okay.
charcoal twice, just like Gentleman Jack.
Okay.
But then this is finished with maple wood staves,
So
I believe.
It's going to take something that I actually enjoy out of it, though.
Yeah.
I like that,
And-
that oily.
But also, this is a commemorative top on it as well. It's a gold medal that they have won. This thing has got some weight.
Oh.
See? Yeah. So be careful. Don't drop that on your toes. We see these from time to time here in our
knob.
area.
Have to make that into
For a lamp.
Mhm.
Yep. And I mean, we can find these pretty regularly in Tennessee. I do have one. It comes in a box and is really nice on display. All right. So 90 proof. I'm sorry, 80 proof.
It's kind of light. It's not overly dark. It's an amber.
It's very light, not viscous. Very, very similar to your.
I see that clinging on your glass and the legs forming.
Yeah, very quickly.
I'm not seeing it on mine.
Well, let's see. All right, let's look. Yeah, it's there.
It's not holding like yours is.
Anyway, it is lighter, like the Gentleman Jack, and I attribute that probably to the double mellowing. And plus, it's also finished.
Yeah, it is kind of holding the glass, so it's got a little viscosity to it.
Very sweet nose. Not the typical banana note like you would associate with a regular Jack Daniels, but it's more of a nose akin to Gentleman Jack. Definitely get the brown sugar, vanilla, and it's not offensive on the nose. 80 proof, very easy.
Yeah, I'm not getting anything harsh on the nose at all. It's just, it's mild on the nose with just a slight bit of cinnamon on the nose. But it's more fruity, like dessert fruit.
On the palate, you get the sweetness, almost like very similar to like a maple syrup, like a light maple syrup.
I just did
a little cinnamon on there, some baking spice. Overall, I mean, it's a fantastic different offering of this. Now, this was made when Jeff Arnett was master distiller. This was one of his projects. But I don't believe it's made anymore. I believe it was discontinued from the line.
Okay, on that second sip, I'm kind of getting like a bananas Foster.
Yeah, that's what I was getting ready to go into. On the palate, you definitely get that vanilla, caramel, and maybe that maple syrup, but you definitely get the banana note.
I'm getting more of like a brown sugar note on the palate.
Yeah.
With a slight banana, like what you would get in bananas Foster, because it's
it's caramelized and everything.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and then you kind of get that vanilla flavor that kind of kicks up a notch.
Yes, and
The
it's
banana's
just,
very muted in Bananas Foster.
it's just deliciousness. And then
Yeah.
when you go to the nose, you do kind of get, you have to look for it, but the banana is there on the nose, but you kind of have to look for it. It's more pronounced on the palate.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I wasn't getting banana on the nose on this one. It's definitely like, I could put that with some Bananas Foster or even a banana pudding.
Oh, that would be
That
fantastic.
might bring it out a little bit.
It would probably bring out the banana note more. On this right here, as far as an actual meal, a chicken dish, maybe a chicken and pasta would be great with this.
Oh yeah, I wasn't thinking that. I was kind of thinking like a pulled pork.
It's something on this right here. I mean, I would want to bring out the sweetness and that banana note and something like that instead of heavy flavors. I mean, I could see like a chicken Alfredo would be good with this.
I could see that.
Um,
A pasta dish is always on the light side, and this one is very light. It's not bold.
Yeah.
But I was thinking like a sweet hickory or something with a little sweet salt slaw on it.
Mm-hmm.
Should go pretty good.
I got a runner. I could also see even a chef salad would be great with this. Maybe throw in a few berries on top of that. Would, for a contrasting
like some
flavor.
Blueberry and strawberries.
And raspberry, something like that.
And then just to give it a little extra, that little crunch, some almonds.
Yes, some slivered almonds.
Yeah, that would go. Yeah, I could see that.
Yeah, I think it would be great with this.
It's a great summer pour.
Oh, absolutely. Especially, I mean, we've been rocking 115 plus heat indexes the last couple of weeks. I mean, this would be great as an evening pour outside with your cigar after dinner.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, now that we finally got a cool off.
Yeah, finally. Yeah, when did you ever think you'd be like, oh man, thank God for 80s and 90s? Yeah. But
that's true.
Yeah, definitely time to take advantage of the patio and have some cigars, and a great pour like this would be fantastic.
I agree.
All right. Well, is there anything else?
We just have this one life to live.
So make it about family, good friends, and great whiskey.
Till next time, my friends.
Cheers.